guys, how are you? I apologize for the abrupt end of the previous video, lesson number 4. I had a technical issue, but I just want to quickly show you something. We've been talking about the transform tool and how it can transform shapes into beautiful geometric designs that you can apply for your fabric. So I'm just going to quickly show you all the shapes that I have. Here, for example, I have the rectangle tool, and then so edit, undo. Before I start to put my shapes, number one, I have to make sure that this is off, no color, and then this one I have selected the gradient tool here. I can start with the black tool. Let me start with the black color for the outlines, and then I will select my shapes, the rectangle. And then which other shape can I select? Well, there is a rounded rectangle, rectangle. There is the ellipse. I've been working with it. Polygon. It's giving me triangle. It's perfect, but I've never worked with a triangle. I haven't shown you this one, so it's okay. But again, I can select my polygon again. Then once I select my polygon, I can double click it. And double click the polygon, and then it will give me the number of sides, and I can change it to say 6 or 7 or 8 depending on the number of sides I want. So let me remove the triangle because I already have the triangle. So which other shape do I have? I also have the star, so I'll put the star here. So let me just show you my square, my rounded rectangle, my triangle, my polygon with 6 sides, and then I have my star. I'm just arranging them anyhow because what I'm just trying to show you here is the transform tool on other shapes. So I'm going to, because I want to do the same thing instead of working one on these shapes. I'm going to select all the shapes, and then I will choose the gradient, and then on this gradient I'm going to change. As you can see, I have already selected 4 colors, but you can always change and work with the colors that you want. I've already shown you how to work with these and put the colors that you want. So you can always put the colors that you want, that you prefer. So I've already selected these 4 are already selected. So once I have selected this, I'm going to, first of all, let me show you another tool which is not transform. Effect, distort and transform, and then the placker and blot. This one will, if you click the preview and you start to increase and decrease it, you see kind of like flowers, starting to form, and you can use this as your beautiful pattern. I think you can see how it looks. It looks okay. But as you go, if you continue to increase, some of the shape will become weird. But around 135% here, 120, it's you can see some a little bit of you can see some you can call it some flowers, some leaves. I don't know what you can call it, but it is okay. But anyway, today we are here to work with the transform tool. So let's go back to the transform tool. I was just showing you what the plucker and blot does. Let's go back to the transform tool. On the transform tool, I have my dialog box. I'm going to change this to 95. Like I said, if you are working with if you are working on the I'm clicking these figures, that's why it is coming out like this. But if you're working with the mouse, you can always scroll up and down, and you'll be seeing changes as you are moving your mouse. So here I'm going to do just 2. Then here I am going to say maybe 40 copies. Then I'm going to click OK. Voila. So you see I have applied the transform tool on all the shapes that I had. The square, the rectangle, rounded rectangle, the triangle, my polygon with 6 sides, and also the stars. And it is perfect, and you can change the color. You can create beautiful designs, which you can then have a seamless repeat pattern. Thank you so much, guys.